Today I'm going to be showing you how to make brown butter miso chocolate chip cookies. So I've been seeing a lot of savoury elements pop up in sweet dishes recently, and I wanted to use the salty miso and pair it with something really sweet, some caramelised white chocolate. So these cookies are super soft but crispy on the edges, and that sweet and salty balance makes them so addictive. So I hope you like this recipe, and let's get started.
First, we're going to make the brown butter by melting unsalted butter over medium heat until golden brown. Transfer it to a large bowl and add the miso to cool it down. Now add the sugar, brown sugar and egg and mix until well combined. Once smooth, add plain flour, baking powder and baking soda and mix until just combined. Now add chopped caramelized white chocolate or just white chocolate and mix until just combined. Now divide the mixture into 9 even balls using a cookie scoop or your hands. Once portioned, place into your freezer for half an hour to chill before baking at 175 degrees for 12 minutes.
And that's it, my miso butter chocolate chip cookies. They smell so good and I'm so excited to give them a try. This cookie is so good. There's that contrast between the miso, it's salty, and the really sweet caramelized white chocolate. And then there's a little bit of brown butter which adds like a toastiness to it. Just brings the whole cookie together and it's amazing, really. Definitely give this recipe a try, and if you do like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like me to make, and I guess I'll see you next time.